Hi there, Chris here. Um, I ordered this Abus 90 RK50. And we'll open it up. And there it is. It's a nice guarded shackle lock. Guarded on both sides, so this has to come all the way out, all the way up to pivot. Here's the keys. It has a Schlage. I ordered it with a Schlage core in it. And looks, yeah, there it is. And I ordered it 0-bitted. So this is what the 0-bitted key looks like. Just barely little notches on here. You turn it, the shackle is not sprung, but you pull it out and there you go. So what I'd like to do is cut a key for this, because this is not, very challenging. So we'll take the core out. Oh boy. Oh boy. All right. Let's see. Let me get a longer screwdriver. Wish they didn't do that. All right, I think I got it. I mean, they really don't need to be that tight. They got Loctite on them generally, so they're not going to vibrate out. This one does not appear to have Loctite on it. Let me get my glasses again. All right, so you got that. You pull out your core. We're gonna take off the clip. We'll zoom in a little bit. And we're gonna repin the key pins. So, and cut a key, hopefully. And there's your clip. Oh, the Loctite is inside here, if you could just barely see it. That's interesting. I've never seen it not come out on the threads of the screw. I've never seen one of these stick so hard either. All right, we got that out. We didn't lose it. We'll find a follower. I should be more organized here. And a shim. Okay, so we'll get a shim in here and pull out this core. Okay, on these they have this little pin you have to depress with your thumb. Don't turn it too far so it gets caught in there. You can get it out, but you generally don't want to get it caught in there. And there's our core. We'll put it in the little holder for safekeeping. Depress the pin and put it in. So we really don't need any of these key pins. I don't think. No, we don't. So we'll dump all those out. It's a little gooey, so they're sticky. Okay, that's all of them. All right, so we're going to take this key pin, this key, and go over and make some cuts on it. Okay, we're over at the key machine. This is our 0-bitted key. This is our code that we're going to cut it to. So we'll get to that. Put the key in. I don't know if you can see this, hopefully. Now it's against the stop, so it's in there correctly. There's a little stop here that comes up. And we'll pivot around a little bit. And this is the key card that you use for this machine. And it is a Schlage. You get the right key card in there. Schlage large pin. Whoa, what's happening? And the way this works is you start. Boy, this is an awkward situation. You start at number 1. And so what you'll do is number 1 will be a depth cut of 6. So let me plug this in. Always helps. They work better when you plug them in. Okay, here we go. So you turn on the machine, and can we see? Yes. We start at cut 1, and you'll see this little dial move, and we're cutting to a 6. So we'll go up here to 6. We'll back it off. We'll go to 2. Our 2 cut is a 5. We'll go to the 3 cut. Which is a 9. We'll go to the 4 cut, which is a 3. And we'll go to the 5 cut, which is a 1. Okay, back again, and I've reassembled the core and put the core back into the lock. You can see the first pin is that green pin. This is the bitting on the key. You push it in, you turn it, it works great. I won't bother to try picking this in this video because it's certainly long enough. But anyway, thank you for watching. I thought it might be interesting. And please leave a comment or a question, and we'll see you next time.